Hi, I am Mahi, and today I will discuss some sentences with different verbs in the simple present and simple past tense. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday. She plays football every weekend. She played football last Saturday. We visit our grandparents every summer. We visited our grandparents last summer. He drives to work every morning. He drove to work yesterday. They study English every day. They studied English last night. I read books before bed. I read a book last night. She sings at the concert. She sang at the concert last week. We cook dinner together every evening. We cooked a big dinner yesterday. He watches TV after work. He watched a movie yesterday evening. They exercise every morning. They exercised yesterday afternoon. I travel to different countries. I traveled to Italy last year. She cleans her room every day. She cleaned her room this morning. We meet our friends on weekends. We met our friends last weekend. He paints beautiful pictures. He painted a portrait last month. They walk to school every day. They walked to school yesterday. I write in my journal every night. I wrote in my journal yesterday evening. She listens to music while working. She listened to a podcast yesterday. We help our neighbors with their groceries. We helped our neighbors last week. They speak 3 languages. They spoke French at the meeting yesterday. I like to read novels. I liked that book I read last week. She buys new clothes every season. She bought a new dress yesterday. We drink coffee every morning. We drank tea yesterday. He wears a suit to work. He wore a jacket yesterday. They play video games after school. They played video games all weekend. I learn new things every day. I learned a lot in the class yesterday. She takes a walk every morning. She took a walk yesterday evening. We make breakfast together every weekend. We made pancakes yesterday. He helps his parents with the chores. He helped his parents yesterday. They laugh at jokes in the movie. They laughed at the funny scene last night.